Okay, so this is how to withdraw your Memefi token. I don't even know where to start from. I've actually withdrawn mine, so I'm going to be showing you the step of how I did it and how you can also go through it. So make sure you just be patient and follow the process. We know everybody are currently frustrated due to the way the platform actually did and every stuff, right? So the first thing first is to send from your Bybit or send from your Memefi. So after you've done that, you confirm right here that it has entered. So you're going to be seeing your Memefi showing at this side, right? So normally what we are supposed to do, we are going to see a Memefi and your zoo, and we are actually supposed to like send to our exchanges right there automatically without having error. But due to the way the platform was today, like the platform is actually up and down and many stuff happen. So we are going to be using this particular website, right? So you are going to go to your Play Store, then download this Zui Wallet Mobile right here. You're going to see is that a Play Store or Apple, whatever you're using. Just download this. So once you download this particular one, you are going to open. Then once you open, it's going to pop up like this. Then you're going to be needing this contract address, I mean this seed phrase right here, because for you to be able to withdraw, right? So all you need to do is to come to this side, right, and check your wallet that you actually have in your Memefi and your Zoo, then open it, right? So okay, click on it again, right? So click on, you are going to click on manage wallet right here. Click on manage wallet. Then on the wallet, this is the wallet. Go click on this three dots icon. So on this three dot icon, you are going to see this is the seed phrase. So this is the 12 seed phrase you are going to be needing. So you go ahead to copy that. So once you copy it, then you come to, once you copy that, you just come to your Zoo network right here. Then you open it. Then your Zoo network, because you are coming in for the first time, you are going to input that right here. So just make sure you input it into your let me just show you how to do it. So create a new wallet. Once you come in the first time, you're going to see it how to, like, you want to log in, then just click on input, create, just input those 12 phrase, right? So once you're done with the 12 phrase, you are going to be seeing your Zoo network and also the Memefi right here. So once you've seen the two, right, all you need to do is to come to this particular D app, right? So click on D app right here. Then I get to see this particular citrus protocol right here. Then this particular one, the third one, then you click on it. So once you click on the third one, right, you actually allow it to load. Then it's actually going to ask for a permission to connect to your Zoo network. Then you accept. So once you accept to connect to Zoo network, you check this side, you make sure it is connected. Then you come back to this side, then you look for Memefi. So because I've already withdrawn, so my Memefi has gone up, so I'm just going to search Memefi right here. So the Memefi is going to pop up for, it's going to show up Memefi. All right, so this is Memefi, right? So you open this, then you're going to click on maximum amount you want to like sell. You click on, just click on maximum right here. Once you click on maximum, it's going to show the amount in Zoo also for you. Then convert, click on enter amount right here. Just click on it right here. So it's going to swap. So once you actually swap, it's going to swap to Zoo network, right? So then you're going to be seeing all your balance into Zoo network right now. So how do you not get it to your exchange, right? So this is how to get to your exchange. So you open your Zoo network after you've actually gotten the stuff, then you click on send. So once you click on send, then you go to your exchanges, you go and look for Zoo right here. Let me show you. So you come to your Bybit just this way. Once you come to your Bybit, then you click on deposit, then deposit direct to crypto, right? So you search for Zoo, Zoo right here. Then you're going to be seeing this particular one, this Zoo network. Then you click on this. So once you click on this, you are going to see we have Zoo right here, and you can see it is congested. So just click on it, right? So you're going to copy this contract address right here. Just copy this contract address. You click on it, then copy. Then come back to this side. Come back to your browser. Then you click on it right here. You click on the amount you want to withdraw, maximum amount. Then you click on the contract address right here, and you can see verified address. Then you just withdraw. So that is just basically how you are going to withdraw. It's going to pop off. Then you withdraw to Zoo. So once you get to your Zoo, then once you get to your Bybit, then you can actually convert to your USDT. So if you actually have more questions, drop it at the comment section. I'm going to attend to that.